you looking to retire early or at least get some financial freedom, a little extra cushion? Well, we probably have the solution for you. It's not a side hustle that takes a lot of time. This is called passive investing, and it's commercial real estate. We'll show you how to do it. It's not like it used to be, it's way easier. We have decades of experience in the business, and so we will show you how to do it. This is Pivot to Prosperity, sponsored by Pivotal Real Estate Investments. And go to the website, pivotalrealestateinvestments.com, if you want to know when we have an opportunity. Thank you. Hey there, Ginny Bolling with Pivotal Real Estate Investments. And I am constantly asked what it means when I say that I worked in eminent domain. And so that's what this recording is to tell you. I typically worked for either the Florida Department of Transportation or an engineering firm that was hired by a city, county, or the state to do work. It may be for utilities, it may be for telecommunications, including power company type work. In any case, the most strict of all is typically the Department of Transportation work, because they have the most state federal laws that apply typically to the typical project. And so what would happen is I would work in the real estate group, which is called the right-of-way department typically. And we would be receiving, for instance, appraisals and title work. The acquisition staff, I'd be overseeing acquisition, relocation, property management, business damage, and suit preparation staff. And the typical progression is you get the appraisal and the title work, and the acquisition agents need to review it, get any questions answered before they meet with the property owner, who usually has an attorney, because Florida pays for the owners to have attorneys. And go meet, make the offer, and start the negotiations. And if it's not real straightforward, for instance, on the property use, like a house or something, if it's a commercial use, then the arguments usually come down to highest and best use, land use, and zoning. So you have to get really well versed on that stuff. And the appraisers, of course, address it, but it's all negotiations. And so if the area needed is going to take a lot of parking, or you're cutting a building, you have all the different experts involved with advising where to cut, how to replace parking, if you can replace parking, or if we're going to pay business damages. It's a myriad number of puzzle pieces that we kind of move around and try to solve the problem, and get to where we can have an amicable settlement, and the owners are paid out of court, and the attorneys are paid as well, and that's the hunky-dory route. And then if you think about it, if we didn't use, most of us have not had title companies involved, so we'd have to clear title. So we're seeking subordinations and releases from banks and utility companies and whatnot, which is kind of a little known fact. It's a good thing to know how to do, though. And then we a lot of times are still negotiating right to the courthouse stairs if we have to condemn a property to, but you don't want to blow the schedule. You have to acquire the property by the deadlines, or else you lose funding for the project, and that can take forever to get back. As it is, it takes 20 years to do a road. So it's kind of a unique business, but if anybody has questions, let me know. I'd be glad to help you. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you for listening. And remember, if you want to know when opportunities come available, register at pivotalrealestateinvestments.com on the Contact Us page. And look for us on Facebook and Instagram. If you like what we're saying, share, all that good stuff. And feel free to let us know if you want us to cover a certain topic. Thank you.